The Cuisinart Chef's Convection countertop oven has 15 powerful functions,
including convection, speed convection, and dual cook.
Now, dual cook combines radiant heat from below, which will work great with this pizza, and the broiler, each time to perfection, so you get the results that you really want. I'm gonna prepare a vegetarian pizza and pull it together quickly, pop it in this oven, but I need to preheat ahead of time. I'll close it up and begin to set it. Look at this incredible finish. Beautifully crisp from the underside, and the broiler finishes it to perfection. That exact heat sensor makes certain that the temperature remains constant throughout the cooking time. How would you like to have that pizza at home? A roasted apple crostata with pecan crumble on top is the perfect dessert. And with this chef's oven and the pizza stone, I can get the texture and quality in the dough that I'm really looking for. Just 6 simple ingredients, and now that my dough has rested, I can begin to prepare this delicious dessert. With my dough completely rolled out and the spices and sugar on top of the apples, place the apples in the center and then very simply, gently roll up the dough along the edge, pull it over and twist. As I do, creating a little bit of a crust, and then the topping will go right in the center. Once preheated with the pizza stone hot, set the temperature at 350 degrees and timer for 30 minutes or until golden brown. I can smell the baked apple, and I know, oh yeah, because the pizza stone heats up and cooks that dough perfectly, there's no more soggy crusts, just perfectly cooked baked apple crostata. Some of the best recipes are often the simplest, and this maple walnut crusted salmon fits that exactly. What I love about this new oven is that it comes with a good heavy roasting pan, and I'm going to use the feature that is speed convection. Salmon cooks very quickly. We want to get lots of heat so that texture on the outside is nice and crisp and the inside is perfectly and delicately cooked. With speed convection, my 2 salmon fillets are perfectly cooked in just 15 minutes. The salmon is beautifully pink, walnuts are nice and crispy, and that's ready to go to the dinner table.